Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. So today we have a product. This adapter is of 35 watt PD power adapter duo. It has two port inside it, which is USB type C and USB type A. So let's unbox it, and there's nothing much to show you, just the price is 2,999. Let's open it. Alright guys, so here is power adapter. Let me pull it out. Okay, so here we can see it is 15 watt USB slot and the other is 35 watt USB slot, and here it is written over here super fast charging, and on the right side some information. That's all in the charger. Alright, so here is manual guide and nothing much more. Let me show it to you how fast does it charge, how much power does it supply using the type C port. So here is the charger connected via the default USB which we get with the phone, and here is our phone. Let me turn on the switch. So it is charging super fast. Estimate time which it is giving us to complete charge the battery, it is 30 minutes until full, but as per my experience it will only take around like 20 minutes or 25 minutes. And show the experience of using this super fast wireless charger duo. Even if it is written super fast wireless charger duo, it has still the 15 watt max. This is what it is written on the back, nothing important. On the side it is written super fast wireless charger duo since okay, it is written in different language. And as for the pricing, it is 5,199. Let's open it. And here is the charging pad. This is how it looks like. Here it is written Samsung wireless charger, and that's how it looks like. And I will show you how to charge using this wireless pad and what speed we get after using it. Let me connect the charger first. Alright, so here is the charger, and here I will put the USB cable in it, so the light is powered on. Alright guys, so here we have our phone S24 Ultra. Alright, let's put the device to the wireless charging pad. It is showing fast wireless charging 80%. To fill the 20%, it will take almost 36 minutes. Sometimes it shows fast wireless charging and sometimes it shows normal wireless charging. I don't know why it is showing like that, but it works like that. Let me show it to you without the wireless charger. What does it show? Let me replug it in. Super fast charging, 31 minutes. There is not a huge difference, but that's how it works. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Hope you have liked this video. If yes, please subscribe to our channel. It will be very helpful to us. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care.